Algorand value equivalent to $0.0994 a coin. The present reach: $0.0986, $0.1012. The earlier day close: $0.1012. The change was 0.0018, 1.78%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost forecast for October 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.103. Greatest cost $0.108, least cost $0.088. The normal for the month $0.100. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.101, change for October 1.9%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. In the first place cost at $0.101. Greatest cost $0.121, least cost $0.094. The normal for the month $0.104. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.101, change for November 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at $0.101. Greatest cost $0.120, least cost $0.101. The normal for the month $0.109. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.112, change for December 10.9%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.112. Greatest cost $0.112, least cost $0.088. The normal for the month $0.102. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.095, change for January 15.2%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at $0.095. Greatest cost $0.095, least cost $0.080. The normal for the month $0.089. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.086, change for February 9.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. Before all else cost at $0.086. Most extreme cost $0.086, least cost $0.067. The normal for the month $0.078. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.072, change for spring 16.3%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at $0.072. Most extreme cost $0.072, least cost $0.056. The normal for the month $0.065. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.060, change for April 16.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. In the first place cost at $0.060. Greatest cost $0.060, least cost $0.047. The normal for the month $0.054. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.050, change for May 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $0.050. Greatest cost $0.050, least cost $0.043. The normal for the month $0.047. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.046, change for June 8.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.046. Greatest cost $0.050, least cost $0.044. The normal for the month $0.047. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.047, change for July 2.2%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset cost at $0.047. Most extreme cost $0.059, least cost $0.047. The normal for the month $0.052. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.055, change for August 17.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. To start with, cost at $0.055. Greatest cost $0.055, least cost $0.043. The normal for the month $0.050. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.046, change for September 16.4%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.046. Greatest cost $0.046, least cost $0.036. The normal for the month $0.042. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.039, change for October 15.2%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost, cost at $0.020. Greatest cost $0.025, least cost $0.020. The normal for the month $0.022. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.023, change for December 15.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. In the first place, cost at $0.023. Greatest cost $0.029, least cost $0.023. The normal for the month $0.026. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.027, change for January 17.4%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $0.027. Most extreme cost $0.028, least cost $0.024. The normal for the month $0.026. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.026, change for February 3.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2026. At the outset, cost at $0.026. Most extreme cost $0.026, least cost $0.022. The normal for the month $0.025. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.024, change for spring 7.7%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2026. Before all else, cost at $0.024. Most extreme cost $0.024, least cost $0.019. The normal for the month $0.022. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.020, change for April 16.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. First and foremost, cost at $0.020. Greatest cost $0.0